Jolly old Saint Nick made me wait all year for the dig. 12 months of Christmas screaming ho ho ho. Side down my chimney sucking on my mistletoe. Fresh chocolate chip cookies sitting waiting by the stove.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Danny. What's up, gang? So we're back with another freaking video. It's gonna be a Wig Types wig haul. So I did some shopping on Black Friday, y'all, and let me tell you, if y'all are into wigs, and I used to do wig reviews all the time on my channel, and I'm bringing them back for real this time, especially this month, so I can have some more content, y'all, because it's Vlogmas and I need video ideas. So I'm gonna try to get as many videos out as freaking possible, but I need y'all to let me know in the comments below how you want me to do it. So this video, I'm just gonna do a simple unboxing. I'm gonna show you all the wigs that I got from Wig Types on Black Friday. I'm gonna talk about each one, let you know the price, and let you know all about wigtypes.com. This is not a sponsored video. I wish it was, but this is not a sponsored video. I'm just gonna do an unboxing, and then in the comments below, I need y'all to let me know, do you guys want me to do a wig try on haul, try on all the wigs in one video, or would you guys like to see each wig have its own separate 5 or 6 minute or 10-minute video? Let me know how you guys want to see it, how you guys want to see it broken up, and I'll get it out for you guys. I'm super excited because I love wigs. This is one of my favorite wigs that I am rocking, and it is called Ashani, and I purchased a new Ashani, which I'm going to show you guys, but I just love this wig so much, and I just think it looks so good on me. So yeah, I bought another one. The other wig that I really like, my short one that I always wear, that I do have a video on, I'll leave it up above, but the short bob that I always wear, I do have a video on it, but I did not reorder it. Usually when I go order wigs, I reorder my faves because I wear them out, and then I just add some new ones. But this time I only got one wig that I currently have, which is Ashani, and I'm rocking it, and the rest, the other ones, are brand new. So first of all, let me see if my address on here, because I don't, Okay, so nope, this is my receipt. So first of all, let me show you all the wigs I got. So these are the wigs that I purchased. I got a total of 5 wigs. Y'all, I'm so excited because I've been so bored with my hair, and I know if y'all been watching me, you know I got my hair straightened. I've been wearing my hair. I've just been doing a little bit of everything because I'm bored with my hair. I really want to dread my hair up. I'm trying to get on a lock journey. I'm just nervous. So that may be something y'all see coming soon, because I want to just lock my hair up so that I can just go with the flow. When you have locks, you can still do twist outs, you can still do those things. So I'm thinking about getting lock extensions and just dread my hair up. But to hold off on that, I decided to indulge in Black Friday and get some wigs. So wigtypes.com is a site where you can buy wigs, and when I tell y'all that's the best freaking site I have ever shopped on, I freaking love wigtypes.com because the wigs come so fast. So I indulged in a Cyber Monday sale, and the sale was 45% off on top of the discounted wigs and free shipping if you spent, I think, 60 bucks. Had to. So in beauty supply stores, these wigs are like $40 or $50 each. They're on wigtypes.com for like $18, $17, $11, $12. So cheap. Unfortunately, I don't have the pricing for each wig on here. I just have the description, but I know I spent about $65 or $70 on 5 wigs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 on 5 wigs, and like I said, they're usually 40 something or 50 a piece in the beauty supply store. So it's lit. So let's just jump right into the video. So I'm gonna show you guys the very first wig I got. So the very first wig I got is the one that I'm actually currently rocking on my head, and it is Ashani. I have a video on this exact unit on my channel, so I'll leave it in the comment in the cards so that you guys can check it out, because I absolutely love this wig. As you can see, it's frizzy Lizzy, but I've had this wig over a year, and I've never maintained it. Like, I've never washed it and put conditioner on it to make my curls pop, and it still look pretty good. So yeah, but this is what's on my head currently. This is the Outre lace front Ashani. I got it in the color 4. Y'all, this unit Has to be my favorite long curly unit. As you can see, the curls are so pretty. There we go. The curls are so freaking pretty, and I just love this unit. I want to say, again, I spent $60 or $70 total, so I don't know how much each unit was. But for y'all, for the Danny gang, I'm going to link each unit in the comments below so that you can go ahead and get a quick link to them if you like them. So yeah, this is Ashani. It has a Swiss lace L parting, soft, flexible stretch, and I got this in a color 4. So yeah. This is the one that's actually on my head. The second unit that I did get was Taisha. And I'm actually going to have to pull this one out so that you guys can kind of see. This one has long curls as well. But the stock card got kind of mingled and mangled, so that's why I'm pulling it around. Again, this is pretty much just the unboxing, a show and tell. And I need y'all to let me know in the comments down below, do you guys want to see one video where I just try them all on, or would you like separate videos? Let me know, and however you guys want to see it, I'll do it. I just wanted to get your opinion first, because y'all the Danny gang. Y'all would make me. So yeah. So this is Taisha, T-A-I-S-H-A, Taisha, and I think this is so pretty. Y'all, I tried this on, and some of them look good on me, some of them don't. I got it in the color number 2. It has a 6-inch deep hand-tied lace parting, and you can wear it 2 ways, with a deep lace tie, with a deep hand-tied lace parting, or you can cut and blend your own hair, which is pretty nice. The lighting is throwing it off, so let me pull out this stock card. I think this is so pretty, and you can get this in a various of colors, from blondes to actual colors. So I think this one is pretty. I tried to get longer units because it is colder, and I wanted to just try to do some longer units because I've been rocking bobs and my hair for a little while, so I wanted to get longer units. But this is Taisha. I really like the color that's actually on the model. I think that that's pretty. But y'all, I be so scared to like do colors. It's ridiculous. But this is a sensational unit, and it's the Empress lace parting wig, and the name is Taisha. So yeah. I like that you can wear it 2 ways. I can pull some of my hair out. So the next unit I got is an outre lace front. It's inspired by the Brazilian boutique, and it is in the name Body. I got this in the color 950, which is more of like a burgundy maroon color, y'all, because they didn't have a 2 or a 4, but I really wanted it. So I decided to step out the box, and y'all, I love how long and flowy it is. I tried this one on, and I tried Taisha on without cutting the lace. They look decent on me, but I don't know how they'll really look until I like cut the lace and pull out my baby hairs and use my Got To Be glue spray and really hook it up. This unit does have free parting, and you can easily shift it from side to side, and it comes with a mesh net. So I'm excited to really work with these units and see how they fit my face. I'm thinking about doing a giveaway on one of these units. For one of these videos, or maybe 2 of these units. 1 or 2 units that don't look good on me or that I don't like, I will be doing a giveaway. So yeah, this is Body. It's an outre unit, and it's inspired by the Brazilian boutique. You can use heat on all of these units if you want to, because all of these are synthetic units, y'all. They're synthetic units, and this is a synthetic unit. I rock synthetic units all the time. I like human units, but I rock synthetic units all the time. They're more affordable and pretty much get the same vibe. So the next unit that I got, which is Enna, which I've had before, but I haven't had her in a very, very, very long time. I thought I did a video on Enna, and if I did, I'll post it in the cards because I can't really remember. But this is Enna. And this is a color number 2. You can use heat on her up to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, and she's just so super cute. It comes in a lot of colors, and it gives you the instant couture look. So it says Enna is a super popular unit, and so many people reviewed Enna when it was hot. I think this unit is a couple years old, so don't quote me, but I know it's pretty old. And a lot of people did reviews on her, and I actually like the color that the model is wearing, but again, I'm so scared of doing color because I don't know what it'll look like on me, so I always just go with my own color. But yeah, this is a sensational unit, and it's called Inna in the color number 2. I'm sure y'all heard about her. And the last wig, which I'm mostly excited about, y'all, because I've been rocking bobs like crazy. I'm mostly excited about this one, and it is an outre wig. If y'all haven't noticed, I love outre wigs. They're like one of my favorite brands. But I got this unit. It's a lace front unit, of course, and it is called Shawni. Y'all, look at this. So y'all know I've been on my bobs lately. This is like a wavy, kind of curly bob, y'all. When I say I live for this unit, I got it in the color number 2. You can put heat on it up to 400 degrees. It's a Swiss lace eye parting, and it has blunt cut curls. Y'all, I live for this. I got this in the color number 2, and I'm so excited. This may be my most exciting unit to date that I'm excited to try because I like short hair. Long hair, I like it, but I really thrive with short hair. So yeah, I'm super excited to try this unit. It comes in a plethora of colors, and the model is actually wearing a DR27613, which I was so scared to try. But it's so cute. You can get this in a 1, a 1B, a 2, a 4, a 950, and then various blondes. So yeah, I'm really excited to try this. If y'all want to see me try all these wigs on in one video, leave it down below. Or if you guys would prefer me to do these videos one by one and give each wig its own video and its own attention, let me know down below. This was just an unboxing. The box is completely empty. Again, I got these from wigtypes.com. Y'all, I ordered these wigs on Monday, which was Cyber Monday, and I had them on Wednesday. No lie, no cap, no cap. Had them on Wednesday. So head over to wigtypes.com. Again, this is not sponsored. I wish it was. If you're watching this, Wig Types, sponsor your girl. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys next time. Reporting live from the internet, signing out. Back to you, world.